Well, this is just a couple of examples that we've made from the Crocus tea bag folding set. Now you've got that there, but what's even more exciting, because they come in 6 different sizes, you can also get this one as well. Look at this. This is the daddy of them all. Look at that. You can print onto A3 paper and you can make the big one. This is one of the Crocus designs. And the good thing about these as well is the designs are different both sides. That's generally the back of it, but that's generally the front of it. But you can have lots of fun. You can decide what you want to do. So I'll show you the designs in a minute, but I just want to show you that while I've got that one. This is the A3 size. If you've got an A3 printer, go to a printer and get them printed for you. They make wonderful interior designs when they're framed up, etc. So everything I'm going to show you, you can get in A3 as well. Right, do you want to tell us about it?
Indeed I do. So in this collection, you're going to get a whole collection.
What's it called?
What's it called?
Yeah, the Crocus.
The Crocus tea bags and more.
Well, there you go.
So you're going to get 10 sets. 10 sets altogether. Each set contains 44 pages across 6 different sizes, including mirror images, which means you're going to get 440 pages in the collection altogether. And Alan is going to run through the different sets that you're going to get.
Now, I'm not going to show you all 400 and what?
40.
440 designs. What I've done, I've got the 10 main designs I'll show you, but I've also printed out some of the papers from one set that'll give you an idea what we're talking about. So this is the set here I've chosen. Now, as I said, we do everything in mirror image as well. Now you can't see exactly why this is mirror image, but if you look at this corner is totally different. So there are a difference. So if you ever wanted to do a project where you want them to go back to back, well then they do marry well together. You can stick them together, use them as hangers, or use them on a lamp so it shines through. There's all ways of different using those mirrors, but I'm just wanted to show you. That's the main design. In those designs as well, you also get these. Now this is the large medium size, and you get 2 to a page. Now if you're making a normal tea bag, you normally need 8 designs, so you'd print this, say, this page off 4 times. Or this one, you just need to print it off twice. This is the small ones. Or if you want just a traditional tea bag size, we've got those for you here too. You get 9, so you'd only use 8 of those. You can save that for another project. Now you're also going to get in this set a variety of matching background papers. That's the A4 large one, and then that's the square one, which you can also use for tea bag folding as well if you want to. Then you've got these, which are giving you that design, but in a square different sizes. So that's the kind of large one.
You mean circles, don't you?
So, no, you've got squares, you see.
Oh, circles within a square, right?
Yeah, circles within a square. There's a song there somewhere. Don't sing it, ears I'm not recovered from last time. And there's another one. So those are squared, and that's the same design, but in a kaleidoscope. I nearly learned how to say that then.
Really?
Kaleidoscope.
Kaleidoscope.
So there's this, what I call square backgrounds, and that's what I call like this kaleidoscope. It's the same design, but you've got a different effect. And again, you've got all these in different sizes here, which you can play around with and mix and match. And they go well throughout the whole of the sets.
They do indeed. And to remind you about those sets, this is our whole collection. 44 pages in each set. You're going to get 10 sets in total, which makes 440.
Oh, it sounds like a dart
I know, I was thinking 440.
440.
It's more like to be 180. That sounds good.
I'm just getting your last shot ready for you.
Oh, are you?
Yeah, so we'll put that one there, and that can go there. Does that look pretty?
It does. Now make sure you do look at all the demonstrations and all of the other sets related to these as well that you'll also find here.
Anyway, that's just an example of what you can make, but I'm sure you'll have lots of other ideas.